I have explained in separate videos the concepts of project management, program management, and portfolio management. Here, I am going to compare some key differences between these three. First, when is a project, a program, or a portfolio considered to be successful? If a project is delivered in time, within budget, and all deliverables are of quality and the customer is generally satisfied, the project is considered a successful project. But this is not how a program is considered successful. The program must have achieved the business benefits it was undertaken for, and it has been generally an efficient endeavor. That is when it will be called a successful program. Portfolio, on the other hand, is all about the aggregate performance of the investment and achieving the business benefits and strategic goals that were the target. This means that the overall investment and strategy has been very successful, not just a few projects or programs. Second, what is managed in each of these three types of endeavors? A project manager manages the project team. A program manager manages the project managers and the program team, which takes care of program work like reporting and coordination. The portfolio manager manages the project and program managers and also the portfolio staff, which is mostly operational staff. So it is obvious that the project managers monitor and control the project work to produce the deliverables. The program managers monitor various components of the program, that includes projects and program tracking to ensure the program achieve the business outcomes. Portfolio managers monitor the organizational strategic changes to ensure portfolio stays aligned with achieving the strategic goals. They also monitor the resources and their allocation for better utilization and monitor and track overall risks and the performance results. Third, how about defining scope and planning? Well, when it comes to scoping and planning, projects have defined scope that usually results in quantified deliverables. Now, since programs are to deliver business benefits, the scope is the combined scope of all the program components, but coordinated in a way to always keep a focus on the business outcomes. Portfolio scope is all about the strategy. Every decision and direction in a portfolio is aligned and realigned to strategic changes. On the other hand, when it comes to planning, project managers create and progressively elaborate detailed plans throughout the project lifecycle. Program managers create high-level plans that are mostly focused on coordination among the projects and program components. Program plan provides a guideline to project management planning. Now, since portfolio management is operational work in nature, portfolio planning is about maintaining and improving processes as well as communications for effective portfolio management. So these were some key differences between project, program, and portfolio management.